Race 1 for under 16 years. That's Group MX motorcycles up to 85cc 2-stroke and up to 150cc 4-stroke. The 4-lap event. Number 25, John Jedi Singha, already at the start line. He is coming in from the under 13 event. Number 22 should be Ivan Biag Guru Singha, former champion from the under 13 event. On the number 60, Kasun Taraka Vikramarachi is a formidable name in this event, I would say. Binula Kittalagama back on track from his previous win. Number 99, Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v. Prominent ride, I would say. Former under 13 champion as well. Venushka Silva there. Kavidu Kevitiagala, thumbs up. Number 40, Hasan Gunasekara, second place winner for the under 13 event. This is the under 16 event. Shanti Adhikari's favorite, I would say. And they're off.
Decent start, except for one. They'll have to work hard to make sure that they are in control. Just as Venushka said, Jacques is in front, is it?
Well, that was the right prediction, and he's done our expectations well. He is already on the rolling lap and into lap 1. Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v. That orange flash of light would be him.
යතුරුපැදි තරගයේ සෝ වයස 10 15 තරග වට 4කින් සමන්විත තරගය දැන් ආරම්භ වෙනවා. වයස 13 15 තරගයේ සෝවේ තරග නියෝජනය කළ ක්‍රීඩකයින් ධාවකයින් මේ තරගය නියෝජනය කරනවා.
Who's number 60, Venushka, so far? That's Kasun Vikramarachi.
Kasun Targa Vikramarachi. Anka Hatter.
Number 25 is in second place. That's Jun Jedi Singha. This should be good. Number 99 for you is Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v.
Kasun Targa, Jun Jedi Singha, Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v. Adara Palma Devana Stan then Tivun Targa. Memo State of the Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v Idrian, Anka Anunave.
He's experienced, he's confident, and he's experienced this winning formula. The rest of the field has been pushed back. Number 60 is in second place, and that would be Kasun Vikramarachi.
Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v මේ තරගයේ සම්පූර්ණදී තමත් ලාභාල ක්‍රීඩකයෙක් වුණා. පදාත්ලකින් ඇති ක්‍රීඩකයෙක් ජාක්-මොනවර්ධන ලංකාවේ හැම සාවන පතයකදීම පාහේ පොඩ අල්දකින් තිබෙනවා. තරග ජයග්‍රහණ තිබෙනවා. ඉදිරියෙන් කසුන් තාරක වික්‍රමාරච්චි දෙවන තැන.
He's getting warmed up, and so is the action as much as the atmosphere. A fair amount of spectators who have come in to see the action. Binula Kittalagama is in third place. He had a top podium finish in the previous one. Can he be in a position to challenge the second place Kasun Vikramarachi before he can set his sights on Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v, who seems to be in very much better control at the moment. A 4-lap race, so half of it is just about gone.
Jacques-motor-bike-racing කෙසේ වෙතත් කසුන් තාරක වික්‍රමාරච්චි හොඳ අභියෝගයක්. ජුන් වෙඩි සිංහ දුන්නට තැන රැඳී සිටියා. නමුත් දැන් ඔහු තරමක් පසුබස්මින් බිඳුල කිඹුලගම ඉදිරියේ.
Jacques-motor-bike-racing still in the lead, taking on family traditions, I would say. Gunawarddhana's son, Shane Gunawarddhana's nephew. He's on a new bike, so new machine, and seems like he's handling it very well. He did exceptionally well at the Maharama. You can remember podium finish there. Finished strong last year winning the under 13 championship, and now he is in the lead. Closely followed by, I believe, it's Kasun Tarak Vikramarachi and Binula Kittalagama. The under 13th event, and Harita has a few words to share.
This is in fact the under 16 event, and you can see that people like Binula Kittalagama boys, I should say, who are graduating. So second and third year, Kasun Taraka Vikramarachi, and certainly Binula Kittalagama getting into the situation where they would really put this race into a new league. That's what Slada won. These youngsters who have been in the field far enough to graduate and graduate in the right direction. So big at the moment. Big at the moment. Jacques comfortably up there. What's happened to June Vedi Singh? He's dropped back. He's being lapped. This is quite interesting stuff.
Jacques-motor-bike-racing ඉදිරි පතුකාර වික්‍රමාරච්චි සහ පිටුල කීතල ගමන අතර පළමු දෙවන තුන්වන ස්ථාන සඳහා දැන් තරගය නිර්මාණය වී තිබෙනවා. තමත් හොඳින් පිටිමි ලබා ගන්න ආකාරය ජනපති දාවකේ අංක 99 ජාක්-ගුණවර්ධන තමත් හොඳ පෞල් පසුබිමක් තිබෙනවා මේ තරග රටාව සඳහා ඔහුට.
So a legion of fans for the Gunawardhanas. It has been that way for quite a long time. You all know what his father has done, the amount of commitment, popular figure, and the sons are doing the effort justice. In control, he's not hurried, he's not pushing too much, just riding the basic race. Good for him.
Jacques-motor-bike-racing ලාභියෝ කේල කරන්න මේ ඔබ දකින්න අංක 99 Jacques-motor-bike-racing නාමය මේ යන්ත්‍රපැණි කලාවේ සමත් ප්‍රමුඛ නාමයක් වශයෙන් හඳුන්වා දෙන්නට පුළුවන්. ජයග්‍රහණීලාවෙන් ඉන්නේ Jacques-motor-bike-racing විශාල පරතරයක් ප්‍රතිවාදී ප්‍රතිමල්ලවේ පෙනෙන මානයක නොමැතිව සූදකලා කරන්නට දෙවන වෙන සමත් කරන ආකාරය දක්නට ලැබෙනවා.
Back on the race it is. The race track has dried up sufficiently for the riders to maintain a decent pace, despite the fact that certain areas are still very wet and very muddy, holding a fair amount of water. Yet Jacques-motor-bike-racing is comfortable and heading towards the checkered flag.
Jacques-motor-bike-racing
So he's happy, coming in next. This is Kasut, is it? Kasut Vikramarachi in second place.
Kasut Vikramarachi තරගයේ දෙවන තැන.
Oh. He came in second. So Yvonne Biagi-Gurusingh are just pipping the rest of the field to get into the last podium finish. But Jacques-motor-bike-racing didn't he ride a good race?
තමම හොඳ තරගයක්. Jacques-motor-bike-racing කපුකාර.
Highlights coming your way, and already getting out of the pack was Jacques-motor-bike-racing. As predicted, favorite for this event nowadays, I believe. Last year's Seattle under 13 champion. He's off to a splendid start with enough space between himself and the rest of the pack from the very inception of the 4-lap event. But behind him there was quite a bit of a tussle. For the second and a third place finish, Vikramarachi with Kittalagama and Yvonne Biagi-Gurusingh all vying for a podium finish. The riders taking the bunny hop just before they exit out of the track. Jacques-motor-bike-racing all the way. The Group MX motorcycles up to 85cc and up to 150cc, and he takes the checkered flag.
So the awards presentation coming up. The Bank of Ceylon trophy is being offered for event number 6. Under 16 event this was. WMK Tilakaratna is manager of Bank of Ceylon Sigiri branch. He is involved. Third place to Yvonne Gurusingha. Second place to Kasun Vikramarachi. And the winner with a good performance, Jacques-motor-bike-racing06.m4v. Happy, congratulations.